Hello people and welcome back to the Prime Numbers YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to guide you through the process of making offers for NFTs on our marketplace, which is called PrimePort. By making offers you might be able to bag yourself a bargain or at least pay slightly less for an NFT you've been looking at. Before we get started, smash that like button and please make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Right, without further ado, let's get into today's video. Okay, so first up, you need to make sure you've got the necessary funds in your wallet before you start making any offers. You then need to wrap your XDC because you can only make offers in WXDC, so you need to wrap your XDC first. So to do that, come up to your profile icon and here you just want to put in how much you want to wrap, so 50 XDC, press the wrap button. Your MetaMask wallet will then load and you can just press the confirm button and then it will say wrap done successfully, and you'll now see you have an extra XDC in your WXDC balance. Okay, so next you want to go and find the NFT that you want to make an offer on. So I'm here in the Prime Numbers collection and we can see this NFT is worth 15,000 XDC, or that's the price they want to sell at. It's got 110 print tokens staked inside of it. So I'm just going to make this guy a very low offer for the purpose of this video. DLT fill. If you press the make offer button, select your currency, which is the only currency available is WXDC, and then just enter whatever you want to offer that person. So I'm going to offer them 1,500 XDC. Select how long you want the offer to be valid for. You can do whatever you want, 2 months, and then just click off. And then tick the checkbox and press the place offer button. Your MetaMask wallet will then load and you need to scroll. You see how the sign button isn't available at the moment. So you need to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the text and then the sign button will appear and you can press sign and then it will say offer made. So I've now placed an offer on DLT Phil on his NFT. So hopefully the owner, Phil, hopefully he has his profile set up correctly and he will now get an email to say somebody has made an offer on your NFT. So in your profile section, this bit here, email address. So if you pop your email address in there, it's totally private, nobody can see it, but the Prime Numbers system will then know to send you an email if someone makes an offer on your NFT or if one of the offers you made gets accepted. So it's well worth filling that in. That way you'll get the notifications basically. Okay, so if you want to cancel an offer, so if you go to your profile and in your profile you'll see you've got an offers made section. And then if you change the status to active, you will see here that you can see all the offers you have made. So here's the one I just made. So if I click on that, and then when you scroll to the bottom, you'll see that you've got the cancel offer button. So if you press that, and then it will say, do you want to cancel this offer? Yes, I do. And there you go, offer successfully cancelled. Right folks, that wraps up today's video and you now have the knowledge to start making offers on people's NFTs on the PrimePort marketplace. So give it a go and you never know, you might bag yourself a bargain. Make sure you've added your email address to your profile so you'll get notified if your offer gets accepted or someone makes an offer for one of your NFTs. If you need help doing that, then watch our tutorial regarding how to customize your PrimePort profile. And lastly, make sure you're subscribed to the channel for more useful videos about the Prime Numbers ecosystem and the XDC network. Follow us on social media, all of which are on the screen right now, and I'll catch you in the next video, folks. Talk to you later.